since there's a person asked me to review this specific model, here we are because I love you guys. Channel. My name is Ness. If you are new to the channel, this channel provides a lot of product review, specifically footwear design, and sometimes here and there I will sneak in a couple clothing pieces that I think they are interesting to share with you guys. And I always include few different looks to give you guys ideas how to styling with the products. In this video, I'm gonna do my quick review on this Vans Hype Cap 33 Vibram. In my opinion, this 2025 Vans low-key killing the game right now, right? You see a lot of improvements, new design, new products come out from Vans. And one of my favorite shoes that released this year was the Vans Cost Pass XC. I think that shoes very well engineered and very well executed. They have very good colorways too, not just great design. And the price tag on those is a little bit premium compared to Vans product in general. And I also done my in-depth review on that shoes. If you guys interested, please check them out. And compared to this model, it's not really a completely new. This is more like the upgrade version of the Vans Hype Cap. The price tag on this is also upgrade as well. It's $150. It's double the price on the regular Vans Hype Cap. But if you love the look of the Vans Hype Cap, maybe you will reconsider to upgrade it on this Vans Hype Cap 33 Vibram, especially for this winter. If you want a strong grip on the shoe, this is the shoes that I would recommend you. And I used to own one of these shoes, the Vans Hype Cap, way back when I was in freshman year during my high school year. I would still remember the colorways on that model too, in gray and purple color pop. And I don't think I remember that I like this model because the height on this model is a little bit awkward in my opinion. It's not low top and it's not high top, and it stands in the middle. The cut is a little weird, right? As you can see from the side view. And this model comes with multiple different colorways: the chocolate red, the navy, the gray, and the black colors. All those models look very good, but the most standout colorways in this model is the chocolate and red bottom. Sizing wise, I would recommend you to go for 2 size, or if you have the experience with the Vans Hype Cap, just go for that size. Comfort wise, I would say the shoes is very comfortable. Just feel like the signature shoes Vans Hype Cap. The only thing is it's a little bit heavy compared to the regular Vans Hype Cap because they have extra tooling in the bottom. And the upper is pretty straightforward. They use premium suede for durability and support, combined with the breathable mesh. In the lateral sides around the collar, they have that Hype Cap woven label, and on top of the tongues, very well padded in tongue and color, provide comfort, removable insole, and in the tooling, they still keep that rubber vulcanized foxings, and these toolings give you 2 inches in height. And I see this Vibram tooling they done on some other designer footwear as well, not just on this model. And at first, when it's on my hands, I'm not really a fan of the height, as I already mentioned. But when you put on long pants, styling with this, it looks pretty damn good, as you see, because the long pants drape down, cover this collar, and only show the most iconic detail of the shoes, which is the tooling. It looks so damn nice. From all those 3 looks, I think this model in these colorways, it looks really good with coral pants, camouflage pants. As you can see, the entire upper don't have that jazzy lines, bend, all over logo on it. It's very minimalist with sophisticated tooling. They work really well together. People will still can identify Vans product is the rubber vulcanized foxing that they use on this model. And up next, I'm gonna share with you guys how I would like to styling with this model. So there you have it. What you think about the shoes when it's on feet, and what you think about my 3 different looks I create to go with this model. Comment below in the comment section. And again, if you guys have any requests this video, comment below in the comment section. If I do have time or I have a budget for it, I will definitely do it. You know, don't request some like very limited shoe. I won't able to do it because I don't have that backdoor access like any other YouTube channel, you know.